Let's see this. 20 men can type 4000 pages in 5 days, working 2 hours a day. Then how many men would be required to type 5000 pages working 5 hours per day for 5 days? So they are saying that one group of people, which is who are 20 men, and they have typed 4000 pages, and the number of hours they spent is they are working for 5 days, and each one is working for 2 hours per day. So that is the total number of hours they have worked is 10 hours per day. I mean totally 10 hours they have worked, and how many people? 20 men. So these men hours is the effort required to type 4000 pages. So what I mean to say is, let us assume that the work done is typing 4000 pages. Okay, this is the work that we have to do. Fine. And now the effort which we had given in order to finish this work is, the effort is equal to 20 men, and they have worked for 5 days, and they have worked in a rate of 2 hours per day. Okay, so what is the effort? 20 into 5 into 2, which is 200. 200 men hours is the effort given in order to type 4000 pages. Okay, now for 4000 pages, if the effort required is 200 men hours, then you can imagine how much effort would be required for one page. It is 200 divided by 4000, right? Men hours per page. Got it? Okay, now they are saying that 5000 pages have to be done, right? 5000 pages have to be done. Then what is the effort required for one page? If this is the effort required, then for 5000 pages the effort required will be 200 divided by 4000 into 5000. Got it? Right, so 50s 250 man hours, isn't it? So 250 man hours is required in order to finish 5000 pages. Okay, now they are saying that there is a other group of people who are trying to work in order to finish this 5000 pages. In that group they are not giving the number of people. Okay, so let us assume that the men required is x men, and they are working like this. They are working at a rate of 5 hours per day, 5 hours per day, and they are working for 5 days, right? So what do you get? 25x men hours is the effort given by that group, and this effort should be equal to this effort, 250 men hours. Got it? So what do you get? 250, x equal to 10 men. Got it? So this is the total amount of people that is required to finish it. So one other way of solving it is, if you can see this, work done is directly proportional to the effort, or you can see it this way: effort required is directly proportional to the work that we are trying to accomplish. Okay, and effort can be measured in terms of man hours, and work done is measured in terms of pages printed. Got it? And therefore, for the first group, if you see the effort given, it is 20 men are working for 5 days at a rate of 2 hours per day, right? So therefore I can write this way, right? E1 by E2 equal to W1 by W2. And what is the work they are trying to accomplish? W1, the work they are trying to accomplish is printing 4000 pages. Okay, and on the other side, the second group, we don't know how many men there are. Let's assume that x men, they are working at a rate of 5 days and 5 hours per day. This is the rate at which they are working, and they are trying to print 5000 pages. Even if you use this, you can find out x. Okay, or you can go this way. Anyway, you are going to get the same answer. Fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs universities better than IITs. They have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.